These compact rectangular charcuterie boxes are sized well for single servings of desserts, small sandwiches, or chocolate-covered strawberries, making them ideal for individual treat presentations. The combination of food-safe cardboard and a clear plastic lid feels sturdy in the hand and stacks neatly, which is helpful when preparing large batches for events. A subtle grease-resistant coating keeps sauces and oils from seeping through the paper, so the outside of the box stays clean even with richer pastries or cheeses inside. The snug-fitting, transparent lids stay securely in place during transport while still showcasing the food, so guests can see exactly what they are getting without opening the container. Because the boxes arrive preformed with no folding required, they save a lot of time when you are packing for parties, bake sales, or catering jobs. The generous pack size and included decorative twine make these boxes especially practical for weddings, birthdays, and other gatherings where you need many coordinated, gift-worthy to-go treats.